Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through the recovering deleted Instagram post. It's quick, easy and takes just a few steps. Let's get started. If you're testing the feature, here is how to delete a post. Go to the Instagram, tap on your profile, go to the post you want to delete, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select delete. Confirm the steps. The post is now deleted and will be moved to the recently deleted section. Step 1. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, select your activity, scroll down to the removed and archived content section and tap recently deleted. Step 2. Recover your post. In the recently deleted section, tap on post in the top left corner to filter delete posts. Select the post you want to recover. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, choose restore and confirm your decision. Go back to your profile, update, and you'll see the post restored exactly where it was. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.